Hello, my name is Narijudik Morales. The subject is Grupo Agrolíbano. Agrolíbano. Grupo Agrolíbano is located in the city of San Lorenzo. It's a corporation formed by Montelibano Agriculture, dedicated to agriculture, southern tree industry, dedicated to acuiculture, ornamentales del valle, dedicated to the production of ornamentals, and Bosques Cuyamapa, dedicated to forestry. Purpose. The purpose is to provide safe, healthy, and delicious melons to consumers around the world. It is a non-profit organization dedicated to the development of projects that revolutionize systems, change cultures, and provide guarantees of sustainability in health, community development, and education. Focus of making exciting customer needs and achieving high performance through excellence in our process. Grupo Agrolíbano as being able to grow and diversity even when competing in an industry that is oversupply, affected by water condition and healing regulations. In addition to melons, agropecuaria also grows watermelon for the production of seed that is produced under contract for a major global seed company. Production: melons Galilea, melons Caribbean, melons piel de sapo, white Honeydale, yellow Honeydale, Italian Cantaloupe. Company Advantage satisfies and delight global customers and consumers while healthy fruits to improving lives. The company is the most recognized worldwide with the fact of its careful exporting in the respective containers countries to which in export. North America, Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Grupo Agrolíbano, they integrate Make Melons, Fundación Agrolíbano, Agropecuaria Montelibano, Industria Camaronera del Sur, Ornamentales del Valle y Bosques Cuyamapa. Mission: satisfy and delight our global customers and consumers while healthy fruits to improve life. Views: to be recorded as the most reliable fruit supply in the world by excellent service. Agropecuaria Montelibano is the oldest and most important company in the group. Agrolíbano produces more melons export more melons. Agropecuaria Montelíbano is the oldest and most important company in the world. Thank you.